This is how you set up alerts with Splashtop Premium. On my.splashtop.com, you'll hover over the Management tab and select Alert Profiles. From here, you'll select the Create Profile button, and you'll select a profile name. For this case, we'll use Test. And then on the right-hand side, you can add whichever alerts you see best fit. All the list of alerts are on the right-hand side pre-populated. And from here, you can adjust the time intervals and the thresholds that you'll receive these alerts in. Afterwards, you'll select Save. And then you want to assign computers to your alert profile. From here, you can select by group, by single computer, and on a much more granular scale, deselect if need be. Afterwards, hit Apply, and that's how you set up alerts with Splashtop Premium.